Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing an exciting collaboration with Anna from Cooking the Books. And here is a little peek at what her channel looks like. So we have her homepage here and I'll just tell you a little bit about Anna. She reviews vintage cookbooks and she's been building her collection up over 25 years and now she's trying to cook a recipe from each and every one. If you like cookbooks and old stuff, cooking and possibly regrettable recipes, this channel might be right up your alley. So I'll just give you a little quick look at all the different kind of recipes and videos she does. So recently she's done Betty Crocker's New Dinner for Two, hamburger stroganoff I think it was. Yeah. And we have...
throughout this book because they are beautiful. In addition
yes,
to
they
these
are,
just...
So I'll have a link to her channel in the description box below, and make sure you pop over and check out Anna at Cooking the Books. Now I made the mistake of telling Anna that us Irish are not the best at making cookies and we don't bother to make them too often. So she gave me the challenge of making one of her cookie recipes. So today with Chloe and Rachel I'm going to make Anna's chocolate chip cookies. She made them for Valentine's Day, but we will just do them now because it's Easter holidays. And if you pop over to Anna's channel, you can see what recipe of mine she is going to do. So she challenged me, so I challenged her in return. So let's see how both of us get on. It's an exciting day. So make sure you pop over to see Anna at Cooking the Books. And as I said, I'll have all her details in my description box. So let's get going. Now my assistant Rachel is going to read out the description, the method today of how to make these cookies. I think we start with the smaller bowl, Rachel. And Chloe's going to hand me the different things that I need. Okay, so Rachel, we start off here. I have the oven preheating and Anna has it down as 375 degrees Fahrenheit and that is 190 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Preheat the
in a small oven, in a small bowl.
Oh, in a small bowl, combine flour.
Flour. How much flour?
Flour and 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour.
Okay. Here we have 1 cup, and Chloe, you get 2 tablespoons.
What's a tablespoon?
You pop in 2 tablespoons. No, they have to be flat, Chloe.
Oh.
Or else that's way more than a tablespoon. There you go. 1. 2. Good girl. Next, Rachel.
You put in cocoa and
Baking cocoa. How much baking cocoa?
A quarter cup.
A quarter cup of baking cocoa. So where's my quarter cup? Here's a third of a cup.
Can I put it in?
And here's a quarter cup. I might have to give you a hand with this one now, Claire. So I'm using this Dr. Oetker Fine Dark Cocoa Powder, and it was the only one they had in the shop.
Why don't you just pour it?
Now, Chloe, there you go. And next, Rachel.
You put in a quarter cup a half a teaspoon baking soda.
Thank God you read that out properly. Quarter cup of baking soda wouldn't go down too well. So a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm using this baking soda and Chloe is going to put in a half a teaspoon.
Is this a teaspoon? A half. Yeah. Okay.
Next, Rachel.
Next, put in a quarter teaspoon salt.
So I'll do the salt. We just need a half of this. And keep going.
Whisk until incorporated. Set aside in a large bowl. Beat butter.
Set aside in a large bowl.
Set aside in a large bowl.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Is that
Set aside.
Oh,
Full stop.
yeah. Set aside.
Okay, next sentence now, Rachel. Good girl.
In a large bowl.
Okay.
Beat butter. Brown sugar.
So how much butter are we using?
How much butter? A half a cup.
Of softened butter.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Brown sugar.
How much brown sugar?
Brown sugar, you need a half a cup packed brown sugar. Granulated sugar.
How much?
A half a cup. Too. And vanilla until creamy.
How much vanilla?
A half a teaspoon vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract. And I didn't know if I was going to get vanilla extract, and I had vanilla essence. And I learned that if you use a vanilla essence instead of extract, you use twice as much, but I ended up being able to get the extract. So there's a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we have to beat that first.
Beat that until creamy.
Now, girls, do we often make cookies?
No.
And what do we call cookies?
What do you call cookies? Biscuits.
Well done, Rachel.
Yeah, biscuits.
Well done, Chloe. Now, let's see.
Yeah, is this on?
Chloe, that's okay.
Okay.
Thanks a million. Now, what are we on to, Rachel?
Gradually beat in flour mixture. Beat in flour mixture.
Okay, we're going to gradually beat in the flour mixture. It's very chocolatey. Okay, we might just fire it in.
Can I?
There we go.
Can I mix it?
What about the sponge?
You can.
It
So,
says
you want to go with mixing? Stir in the mini chocolate chips, and I'm using these mini chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips. Oh sure, we might as well throw the whole lot in. See what happens now. We give Chloe a turn mixing. Anyone getting hungry?
me.
I want to lick.
And then what have you done?
You can read away.
Use
1 ounce cookie scoop. I don't have a cookie scoop because I don't make cookies. But I'll just use this small scoop. They're probably going to be too big. I won't fill it. Now I get out the trays that I'm going to use. Now Anna did say that you can freeze this mixture too, which is fantastic. We'll see to see what these look like now when they're scooped out. And she said to leave a lot of space between them because they will spread. I'm getting a little bit nervous now. How are you feeling, girls?
Good.
Nervous? Excited? Hungry?
Hungry.
Now Chloe is insisting on putting some M&Ms on her cookie.
What the big
But you might as well do a few, Chloe. Do those 4 with M&Ms. Rachel doesn't want M&Ms on hers. Maybe just 3 on each one, please.
you meant to get 5.
Oh, there's
Did
circle
Anna say to do
ends.
5 or 6?
And
Yeah,
three.
she did.
So she
Said
thinks I don't know
5 or
what she's
6.
saying.
Oh, no way.
But I want a pepper one.
She said
A blue one.
just said Valentine's Day and then. Not mine. Oh wait, oh yeah. I had different. So one.
And that's sweet. And I'll just put more in my one. Let's
Oh, I might as well keep going. It is Easter holidays.
Yeah.
Do you want to lick that, Rachel?
And then maybe there's like one has like 5, 6 ones of like 2 other ones. There's no purple. Is there also pink?
Rachel, how long does it take them for?
It says bake them for 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, we're going to pop them in the oven now. There's Chloe's nicely decorated ones. Here's some plain chocolate chip ones. And I have 2 more over there. So we'll pop them in and get back to you.
107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 140. How much?
What's it at?
140.
What are we at, Rachel?
12.
12 minutes. Let's get them out.
Where's the M&M one? Oh, there's M&M.
Ooh!
Oh, there's M&M's one.
One's bit mushy, but the
Oh
other.
my goodness, these are massive.
Which one's mine? They're the cookies. They're still a bit soft for me.
And there's 2 more here. Don't touch, they're
They're still a
boiling.
bit soft.
Yeah, and I think we could have done with freezing some of that cookie dough. But anyway, I have a feeling they'll get eaten.
Yeah,
I'll
they
eat that
will.
one.
Anna said
I'll
to let them
eat
cool
with those.
on the trays for 2 minutes first. Okay, so we'll do that. And 2 minutes cooling time is up, so I will gently move these and see. Oh, they're staying together. Wow. I'm just going to put them on a cooling rack. And I think these are going to be a soft cookie. But they will keep cooking now with the residual heat for another short while. But we will definitely have to taste one now in a minute. Oh, there's one now falling apart a little bit. I'll leave that to cool down another bit. And what about these 2? Oh, perfect.
Yeah, they're perfect.
Now,
How do I those ones?
and these very special ones, they are so big. Yeah, if I was to do this again, which we will go by the taste, I probably will because that was so simple and so quick, I would make them a little bit smaller, so I'll know by the scoop. So look at these, aren't they absolutely delicious? So I think we will taste the one that has broken up a bit,
Can I have a bit?
and we'll see what is the verdict. Now it's still, oh, look at the chocolate, it's still melting inside. Okay, Chloe, now it's hot, so be careful. Rachel, hot, hot.
It's nice. Crunchy. Chocolatey.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they're delicious. Oh my goodness.
But the M&M ones will be way nicer.
Oh wow.
Oh.
I think we are going to give it a, let's everyone show a thumbs up or thumbs down. Oh, 3 thumbs up. Way. Big Build Boss, everybody. And thank you, Anna, for the challenge. And if you've come over from Anna's channel, you are very welcome. This is Fiona from Fiona in Her Kitchen, along with Chloe and Rachel, our assistants today. And we're delighted to have you here. If you are one of my usual subscribers, thank you for joining me. I think we're going to keep nibbling on this.
Yeah.
And don't forget to pop over to Anna at Cooking the Books and see what she has taken on as a challenge from my channel. So there's our chocolate chip cookies. Thanks a million for joining us. Bye. See you in the next one. God bless you all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. God bless. Bye.
Bye. This all turned out. And they're really nice. But there's so much.
What are we going to do with all of them?
Eat them. You can bring them to the playground.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Bring those 3. No, but what about the M&M one? I want M&M. But I decorate them and then my M&M. I don't want that one.
Now let's see if there's a nice crunch.
Bring the bottom. Here.
This is a couple of hours later. They've hardened up on the outside, but they're still deliciously soft and chewy on the inside. Look at that. Delicious. Anna, thank you for the encouragement to make these. I'm dying to get over now to see how you got on.